Hey guys, so if your screen goes black but the sound still plays for your Toshiba TV, there are like things that you can try. This is something I found on Reddit, maybe it's going to help you. So use your phone's flashlight to shine a light on the TV when the screen is black and you can hear sound. If you can see the image in the spot you are shining the light on, it means the TV backlight is broken, but everything else still works. The backlight is replaceable and is not a hard job to do. Any TV repair technician should do it for cheap. So this is something that you can possibly see if you're gonna see that you have to only replace the backlight. You can do it through the TV repair technician or by yourself, and then even the person wrote here the backlight in the TV was broke, so I just end up scrapping it. And even someone wrote here, so I have the same issue but the flashlight does nothing and I can't see anything. In that case it's not the same problem, your screen might be dead. If only the backlight was dead, then you'll see some image when using the flashlight. If you don't see anything, the screen is dead. And if it goes black and 10 minutes after, then it's like you can also try to completely turn it off for like 30-40 seconds, plug it back in, and maybe it's going to fix that. I hope so. So have a great day and goodbye.